Have you ever tried to upload or share a video only to realize the file size is absolutely massive? Today, I'm going to show you how to easily compress your videos without losing quality using Wondershare UniConverter. If you're tired of blurry, pixelated results when you try to shrink your files, UniConverter 17 is designed to solve exactly that. It's an all-in-one AI video solution that offers ultra-fast compression, conversion, and enhancement. It even supports high-resolution 4K and 8K HDR videos, so you don't have to sacrifice your footage's crisp details just to get a smaller file size. Using it is incredibly simple. You just import your video, select the compressor tool, and let the software balance the file size and quality for you. Beyond compression, UniConverter is packed with other smart features, including an AI video enhancer, a screen recorder, a subtitle generator, and quick tools to remove background noise or watermarks. There's also an online version of their compressor if you need to shrink a file quickly on the go. Now, when it comes to what everyday users think, we want to be completely transparent. We don't have a configured database of independent user reviews for this version just yet. However, based on the official feature set, it stands out as a highly versatile all-in-one desktop tool for creators, sports fans, and editors alike. If you want to try it for yourself and reclaim your storage space, head over to videoconverter.wondershare.com to download the free trial. Let me know in the comments how much file space you managed to save, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.